Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm Kariuma, your host, and today we have a fantastic journey ahead of us. How are you today, Raihan?
Hi, Karima. I'm great, thanks. Just soaking up the sunshine. How about you? Laughs. It feels like spring is finally here.
Oh, absolutely. I had a lovely walk this morning. Everything feels so vibrant with the flowers blooming. It's like nature's way of saying, hello.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Flowers really do bring a sparkle to the day. Are we here to talk about gardening or something else? Laughs.
Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of quickly improving your English-speaking skills.
Oh yes, I definitely need that. Speaking English can feel like trying to ride a unicycle on a tightrope sometimes.
I understand. But don't worry, we're going to keep it simple and fun. Why is speaking English crucial, you might wonder?
That's a great question. I assume many people speak English, right? Is it like a universal language?
Exactly. Think of English as a bridge connecting you to people from all over the globe. It opens up a world of opportunities.
A bridge, huh? That's a creative way to put it. Laughs. I once made a friend online from England, and we totally bonded over music.
That's wonderful! Music is such a powerful way to connect. Are you ready for some tips on how to enhance your speaking skills?
Absolutely! Bring it on! I can't wait! This is like Christmas morning for language learners. Laughs.
First tip: practice speaking every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Have you ever tried speaking to yourself in a mirror?
A mirror? Oh, you mean talking to myself? Laughs. Sounds a bit weird, but I'm intrigued.
Yes, it may feel strange at first, but you get to hear your own voice, and it really helps improve your skills.
Interesting concept. But what if I feel silly doing that? Like, I might scare my family.
It's completely normal to feel that way. But just think of it as a fun game. You're the star in your own little movie.
Oh, like I'm auditioning for something? That's great. What's another tip? I want to collect all the advice. Laughs.
Next, try repeating phrases you hear in movies or songs. It's a fantastic way to get comfortable with pronunciation.
Oh, I do that. I love singing along to songs. They just make me feel good. What's the next tip? I'm ready.
Find a speaking partner. It makes the practice so much more enjoyable.
A partner like a buddy? How can I find one? This sounds like a Where's Waldo mission. Laughs.
Exactly. You can join language exchange groups or even find online communities where people want to practice together.
Oh, that sounds fun. I really want to find a friend to practice with. Maybe they can help me avoid that coffee with cow mistake. Laughs.
Speaking of experiences, let's welcome our special guest, Alex.
Hey there, Alex. So glad you're joining us today.
Alex, can you share a story about your journey in learning English?
Ooh, I want to hear this. What's the most embarrassing thing that happened to you? Laughs.
Sure. When I was learning English, I moved to a new city and felt really shy about speaking.
Oh no. I totally get that. It can feel overwhelming, right?
One day, I went into a cafe to order coffee, but I ended up saying, coffee with cow instead of coffee with milk.
Laughs. Coffee with cow? That's hilarious, Alex. Did the barista laugh too?
Yes. The barista smiled kindly and corrected me. At first I felt embarrassed, but then we both laughed about it.
That's awesome. Humor really helps in tough situations. I guess it's fine to make mistakes, huh? Huh.
Exactly. Mistakes are a valuable part of learning, and laughter can ease that tension.
Oh yes. What do you call that? Like learning through giggles? Laughs.
Let's shift gears a bit and talk about some essential vocabulary.
Yes. I'm all ears for new words. What do you have for us, Karima?
First up, the word order. It's about requesting something, like food. Can you think of a time when you had to order food in English?
Order. Like ordering pizza, right? I hope I did it right. Laughs.
Now let's revisit Alex's story one more time.
Yes, please. I want to hear it again.
Alex entered a cafe to order coffee but accidentally said, "Coffee with cow." True story.
Laughs. That's just too funny. I will definitely keep that in mind when I order coffee.
Thank you all for tuning in.
Yes, thank you. This was so much fun.
We want to hear from you too. What's your favorite way to practice English?
Oh, don't forget to tell us in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.